This is one question from the chapter permutation. It says the letters of the word random are written in all possible orders, and these words are written out in dictionary. We have to find the rank of the word random. So if I write these words in the dictionary, it should be A first, and then it is D, then it should be what? M, then N, O, and last it will be R. So let's figure out how many words can be written starting with the letter A. So fixing A at its first place, we are left with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 slots. And therefore, we can say that number of words that can be uh, made by fixing A at its first place and rearranging the remaining letters, that should be 5 factorial, which is 120. Now, similarly, with the words starting with the letter D also will be same. If I instead of A, if I fix D over here, right? Instead of A, even if I fix D over here, it's again going to be 5 factorial ways. So this is 5 factorial. Likewise for M and for N, because we have to reach the word starting with the letter A, and that's why these letters has to be get exhausted in its first place. So we can find out this is how much 5 into 5 factorial. That comes out to be 5 into 120, which is 600. So we can say that there are 600 words before the word starts with the letter R. Now, if I fix R over here, you can see that we have got if R over here, and word starting with R, we are left with, yeah, the next will be what? That's A only in the second place. And after A, it should be D. But then if I see the word, RA is fine, but D, we don't need D, we need N. So we have to see how many letters can be made before RAD get exhausted. So in the dictionary, the first word starting with the letter R will be RADDMNO, right? So let's see these letters, words starting with the letter beginning with RAD is 3 factorial. Now, once RAD is used, what will be the next turn? It should be R, A, D. After D, it should be M. So we'll have again 3 factorial. So keeping the position of RAD fixed, we can rearrange the letters MNO in 3 factorial ways. So that is 3 factorial is 6 only, which is 6 and 6. And after RAM, what's going to be RAN, right? After N, it's going to be what? RAN. And the next will be what? We can see that we got RAN. Since A is used, I can keep D here, but then it will be MO and not OM, MO. And finally, if I see the last one is going to be RAN, D, MO is used, so now it will be OM. And we got this, and we can count this. This will be one more, and this will be one more. So let's see what is the rank? 600 plus 6 plus 6 plus 1 plus 1. 6 plus 6, 12 plus 2, 14, 614th. So the rank of this word will be 614th.